Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Glorbo Fruttodrillo. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Glorbo Fruttodrillo, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Then I'm going to make a small circle, and I'm going to color in the rest of it, leaving just that tiny circle white. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down for the eyebrow. Then I'm going to draw a line that just curves over here. Next, let's draw another line that goes up and down for the other eye. Then let's draw a line that curves out. And then we'll make a bump for the nose. Next, let's draw a line that's just going to go down and up, and then down and up. Next, let's make two little black dots for the nose. I'll make a line that goes down and up for the bottom part of the mouth. Then we want to make a line that's just going to curve around here for the jaw. Let's make some pointed little teeth on here as well. Next, starting here, let's curve this line around for the head. Then we'll make a little curved line here for part of the mouth. Next, we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve around here. And we'll make another little line in here. Next, starting here, let's draw that big watermelon shape. So we're just going to make a nice big curved line that comes to here. And then another big one that comes right to here. Let's draw a line that curves down. Then let's make 1, 2, and 3 little points for the feet. And let's bring this line up and then curve it. Let's do another one here. We'll make a line down. We'll make 1, 2, and 3 little lines for the toes. And then we'll bring it up here. Now, right here, let's make one more. We'll go down. We'll make 1, 2, and then 3 little toes. Then we'll curve it up and connect. And we'll just continue this curved line right there. Next, let's make a couple little U-shapes, or a few of them, on the legs to make it look like scales. And then we can put a couple of these on the face of our little crocodile. Next, right here, let's make some wiggly lines. We'll make 2 here. We'll make 2 here. We'll make 2 right here that kind of jump over. And then we'll put 2 here. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Italian brain rot Glorbo Fruttodrillo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.